Bring the ball back. Here, you want to hit it? Future softball champ Abigail Lauren Aurelio Ferris. Hit it. Yay! Good job! Do it again. I know you can hit farther than that. Okay. Oh, you gotta move the whole thing to do it. Where are you going? Say hi, Maria. Hi. Uh-oh. Get the ball. Where'd it go? Oh, look, you dropped it all the way. Oh, I got your butt. Ha. Butt. Hey, Abby, you're crazy. You're crazy. Oh, don't you hit me. You will get straight to timeout. Yeah, hit the ball. Not into the door, please. I'd rather not have the glass break. Thanks. Come over here. Alright. Go for it. Yeah, hit it. Oh, you're being a cheater. Give it a good old whack. Yay! You cheated. Get it! There's no ball to hit. Oh, look, Maria got the ball for you.
Wait a bit, my beard. My beard.
What's wrong?
My beard.
Your hair? I got it. You okay? Oh. And Maria gets the ball. Alright. What's wrong, baby? What's wrong? You got bit? I got it. I got you. Yeah, you do it, Ree. Yay! Here we go. Do it again. Woohoo! Yay, Rhea! Hey, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Your ball.